So I'm joined here with Sandy Yoon from Beeline Medical, who's one of the sponsors for HealthySimAdmin. And Sandy, can you tell us a little bit about why Beeline Medical wanted to support innovation in the medical simulation community through HealthySimAdmin?
Sure. Well, we were a part of SimGhosts a couple of months ago, which supports the simulation technician community. Being a technology company, being a software company, we are very much into supporting that community. But on top of that, our software provides a lot of functionality for administrators, and we are a part of a lot of email groups, and we saw a lot of questions that were recurring that weren't being answered. And when you had brought up this opportunity to start the conversation with this community, we really wanted to jump on that and help out, because we think that simulation is so important to patient safety, which is what we're all about.
Absolutely. Well, we appreciate that, because what we're trying to do here is, create a new innovative conversation and way for the sharing to take place, so that those direct experiences, which we feel are the best teachers for learning how to do this profession, because there is no formal training and education in learning how to be a program administrator or a simulation technician when it comes to running this technology. So we really appreciate that support. And I think that one of the key elements of Beeline Medical is the fact that you can get so specific with the data in terms of recording a lot of different points with regards to your simulation program or your standardized patient engagements, and export those in a way that can be really actually very beneficial to the end user. I know that during one of our presentations, Amar Patel talked about how he was able to show data in a lot of new ways, and I know that at the Clinical Simulation Center we were able to do it and record that information, which we didn't even know how we were going to use until about 2 years later, when we really need to work with our administrators and our higher level administrators and our deans, and suggest to them that we need to move in a different direction. And thank God we had that data from the past 2 years to be able to prove that up, with back that up, because otherwise how can you really demonstrate that?
Sure. I think our software, we can talk a lot about patient safety and improving the quality of care, and that's very important to us, and it's, part of our mission statement. But at the same time, we're pragmatic at Beeline Medical. We understand that your funding has to come from somewhere, and you have to demonstrate, ROI. You have to demonstrate that your systems are being used, and not only does our data capture the basic pass-fail of a learner to more advanced concepts of evaluation and teaching, but at the same time we also measure usage. We also measure, how many computers are online at the same time, and the overall usage of the center can be calculated through any of our reports.
It's absolutely crucial for any program that's looking to develop a long-term successful program to be able to gain access to that information. So I know Beeline Medical has recently released what is the latest version of the Beeline kind of package that's available now to the community?
Well, we currently released Ultra Portable, which is actually a briefcase-sized, essentially sim capture. It's for being on the go, training on the go, having in situ training and experiences, as well as for those who are maybe one-room centers who aren't really sure if they can expand to a larger center. We hope they can, but it's kind of a sort of nice solution for those who are starting out with just a single room as well.
And that was one of the concerns of our focus group last night, discussing about the portability and the mobility of some of this equipment with regards to simulation, so that you were never tied down in one specific area. So that's really great that Beeline's creating a portable option with regards to their systems.
Yeah, and it comes completely, everything's in there, from cables to cameras with mics to the actual recording device itself.
Great, cool. Well, I'm definitely going to check that out, and you should too. So I appreciate again, Sandy, you being here and helping to support our community, as well as Beeline's sponsorship of our program, so that we could gain some of the traction that I feel like this community has really been needing for years.
Yeah. We're glad you invited us.
Cool, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.